The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 received another revelation today, along with the first live picture leak. Firstly, for those of you Samsung lovers out there, before we get into the exciting Z Fold 5 stuff, Samsung is now running the Discover Samsung campaign. They have daily prices on a broad variety of their electronics, including the S23 Ultra, the S22 Ultra, the S23 Plus, and plenty more. It's getting more and more probable that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be released sooner now that we have more information about it. According to a recent story from The Elect and Ross Young's announcement from last week, Samsung will formally introduce the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Flip in the last week of July. This is 3 weeks earlier than normal, and it's preferable for Samsung to launch products sooner since there is generally expected to be greater competition in the foldable market. Since there won't be a Plus model this year, we have confirmation from Gadgets Data on Twitter that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will utilize the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. He also confirms that a new water drop type hinge will be used. Now, the new water drop type hinge not only enables the Z Fold 5 to fold entirely flat, but it is also supposed to increase the display's endurance, and there reportedly won't be a crease in the center of the screen anymore. Considering that we hear this claim every year, I'll believe it when I see it, but if Samsung can produce a folding phone without a crease in the display's middle, it will be the greatest fold on the market. The Z Fold 5 cases have been the subject of a few leaks from Ice Universe. The first tweet shows us a comparison between the Z Fold 5 case and its predecessor. As you can see, the external display is slightly different, and the LED flash has been moved to the top right side of the camera module on the Z Fold 5. This perfectly matches the renderings of the new design that OnLeaks released last week, and to be honest, considering his track record of accuracy over the last 2 years, we shouldn't need much persuading that he is right once again. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.